Hi, it's Matt here from Go Green Autos. So I thought I'd make this video about this LDV EV80, and it's just about changing the bulbs in the daytime running light, because obviously I'm having to do this now and it was a bit awkward, so I thought I might as well put it up there how you do this, because I'm sure it's going to help someone in the future. Obviously with the daytime running light, they're on more than any other bulb, so these are the ones that are going to fail the most, and trying to access this bulb is very difficult. So the manual that comes with the vehicle does tell you how to change every light bulb in the vehicle apart from that one, and they conveniently ignore that one. So getting underneath and having a look behind the bumper doesn't help, because the well, you can actually see it here, the metal crash beam here, saying that you can see it's a bit shadowy, isn't it, runs along the front and it's directly behind this light, so getting underneath doesn't give you any access. And as you can see, the only way to do it is to take off the front grille and to take off the headlight. The reason why it's so difficult to get to is this double skin of metal. So you can't get to it from the back of the headlight because you've got this metal in the way. You can't get to it from underneath because you've got this metal in the way, and you're just trying to get to the back of this fitting, the lamp fitting here, and this is obviously your bulb. These take a 21 watt standard incandescent bulb. So anyway, I'm obviously going to show you this in reverse because I've already taken this apart. So I'll go through the steps while I put this back together, and then obviously you're going to have to do this in reverse to access that bulb. Actually, rather than doing this in reverse, I think I can explain well enough with the, as it's only two items with the two bits there. So first thing you need to do is take this front grille off. There are three bolts at the top. They're 8mm bolts. That then gets the top loose, and then the rest of it is held on with these clips all the way along the bottom, and they are very difficult to get out. It feels like you're going to snap the grille before you can get in there and get your hand in, but if I show you the back here, it will make a bit more sense. You've just got these tags and you need to get your finger at the bottom and just pull these up to release it off the front of the plastic bumper. And then with that grille gone, you've then got to take the headlight out. So again, 8mm bolt there, another one there which you can only access obviously when the grille is removed, and then you have a final one which you access through here, and you've got to get your hand in between the plastic front bumper and this metal work here, and there is a void in there. And if I just take the headlight out, got to be a bit careful doing this one-handed that I don't drop it. I need to put the camera down. So looking at the side of the headlight here, you can see there is another fitting down there, and again an 8mm hex bolt holds that one in, and that's the one you've got to sort of get in here and get a ratchet in there and get that one out. And obviously you've got to disconnect your wiring harness. You've got three connectors that go onto the back of the headlight assembly, but with that headlight assembly gone, then you can access quite easily then the back of the daytime running light. So I hope that helps. I'm sure that will if you have got a dead bulb, because like me, you probably start by getting underneath and assuming you can get to it somehow from behind the bumper, but it's impossible. With this bodywork like this, that connector is completely buried, and the only way you're going to get to it is from behind the headlight. So if you found this video useful, please do click the thumbs up button on YouTube, because that really does help to get the channel noticed. And yeah, thanks for watching, and maybe have a look at other videos on the channel. Okay, cheers.